Jai Hind everyone. So this time I'm back with the special artificial intelligence GD topics. Now, as a species, humanity has witnessed three previous industrial revolutions. First came the steam power, followed by electricity, and then computing. Now we are in the midst of a fourth industrial revolution, one driven by artificial intelligence and the big data. Now I would like to refer this as the intelligence revolution, but whatever we call it, the fourth industrial revolution or the industry 4 or not, one thing is clear, this latest revolution is going to transform our world. Just as the three previous industrial revolution did, and therefore the topic assumes importance for group discussion, lecturate, interview, as well as the final conference in the SSB. Okay, so here is your first topic on AI. Now, AI is probably the defining technology of the last decade and perhaps also the next. Now, however, there are several challenges associated with the today's artificial intelligence. Now, what, in your opinion, is the most challenging aspect associated with artificial intelligence? Is it the security and privacy? Or is it this regulatory compliance? Or you think it is the potential ethical concerns? Now, let's have a look at the second topic related to artificial intelligence revolutions. Now, the field of artificial intelligence has seen several revolutions, each marking a significant advancement in AI capability. Now, in your opinion, which of these AI revolutions is going to be the game changer for mankind in the times to come? Is it the AI in healthcare, or you feel it is AI in robotics, or is it AI in the natural language processing, as in the case of ChatGPT? Now, gentlemen, the third topic on the artificial intelligence revolutions impacting our day-to-day lives. Now, artificial intelligence revolutions have introduced a variety of everyday applications which has transformed our lives immensely. Now, in your opinion, AI application and which of these has had the most prominent impact on our lives? Is it the smart homes, or whether it is because of the e-commerce and the customer services, or whether you feel it is in the field of robotics? Now let's have a look at the fourth topic on one of the most important AI revolutions in the today's time. Now, ChatGPT has emerged as one of the most popular advancement in AI recently, within reach of the common man, and assumes importance from the group discussion and lecturate point of view. Now, ChatGPT represents a significant advancement in natural language processing and AI technology. It has applications in various fields, from customer service to content generation. Now, however, its use also raises important ethical questions. Now, in your opinion, which is the most threatening aspect of ChatGPT? Is it the privacy and data security? Or you feel it is the misinformation and disinformation? Or rather, is it the social engineering attacks? Now let's have a look at the synopsis of the content required for updating your data on ChatGPT, which might come handy during your discussion or even during your lecturate. Now, privacy and data security, the first lead. Now, depending on how it's deployed, ChatGPT might handle sensitive information. If not properly secured, there could be potential privacy breaches. As far as second lead is concerned, that is misinformation and disinformation. ChatGPT, if used irresponsibly, could generate false or misleading information at scale. Now, this could contribute to the spread of misinformation, which has significant societal implications. Coming to the third lead, that is the social engineering attacks. Now, skilled adversaries could potentially use ChatGPT to craft persuasive messages aimed at deceiving individuals or even the organizations. Now let's have a look at another topic on ChatGPT, which could be as under. Now ChatGPT represents a significant advancement in natural language processing and AI technology. Now controlling and preventing the misuse of the ChatGPT requires a combination of technical measures, user education, and responsible deployment practices. Now in your opinion, which is the most crucial measure to prevent misuse of ChatGPT? Is it the human oversight, or whether you think it has be the ethical users agreement, or whether it should be legal and regulatory compliance? Now let's have a look at the synopsis of the content required to update yourself on ChatGPT on this particular topic. Now coming to the first T, that is human oversight. A human in the loop approach where human moderators review and supervise interactions, especially in sensitive or high risk contexts. And coming to the second one, that is ethical users agreement. Now it requires users to agree to terms of service that explicitly state the responsible and ethical use of the AI systems. Now enforce consequences for violation of these agreements. Coming to the third lead, that is legal and regulatory compliance, ensuring compliance with relevant law and regulations governing AI technologies, privacy, and data protection. Be transparent about data handling practices and obtain necessary permission from the users. So these are the aspects on which you need to build up further, have a good content, which will come very handy during the discussion. Now, aspirants should prepare on the topics given in this video. Thereafter, you can register by sharing your name, email ID, and the type of entry for which you are going on WhatsApp number 800-4928-123. Thereafter, we'll have first practice on 20th September, Wednesday at 8 p.m. on Google Meet in a batch of 10 each. Okay, so that is all from my side on Artificial Intelligence Special. And my best wishes to all the ladies and gentlemen who are going to appear very soon for the SSB. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.